Good morning, my good friends of YouTube. This is Joe here with Home Express. In another video, it is raining, dogs and cats. We are in the state of New Jersey. And I said, why not? Let's shoot a video on this section of the road. There is a lot of traffic going on. And going southbound from New Jersey Turnpike, which is I-95. And I would like to take a moment to say thank you to all of those comments in the previous video. All of those loyal subscribers. It's a lot of them. They have commented on the video, and I like it. I try to answer all of them, and it made me very, very happy, knowing that people really were waiting on my videos for a long time, because I was out of this YouTube for quite a bit, for about like 2 months. Now I'm back. So, like I was saying, not every day is shiny and a good day. So sometimes snowing, sometimes it's raining. Of course, we have to move freight. 90% of the items that you guys enjoyed at home is being in a truck at one point or another in his life. Every single thing in your refrigerator is being in a truck. So think about that. Like any other day, if you look closely, there's a lot of trucks on the road, even with this weather. So, shout out to all those truckers putting that effort, all those hours into making this country great and delivering people's happiness. Probably tell everybody's passing me by. I don't feel like being on the left lane. I don't feel like putting the hammer down today. I am a right-hand snail today. For some reason, when the weather is not perfect, I like to take it easy. So, this is me taking it easy. I heard yesterday about the pileup in Louisiana, in the Atchafalaya. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that name right. that Atchafalaya Bridge. About 5 tractor trailers were involved in the accident, and they shut down the I-10 for a few hours. That's very sad. That's one of the reasons that I do take my time. I'm gonna get there anyways. All the truckers, watching this video, take it easy. It's not worth it. Oh, and by the way, there is a bunch of comments on previous videos from people from around the world. It's incredible. Australia, New Zealand, Europe, France. I don't know how to read in French, but I did use the translator, and I did answer that particular comment. And I have received comments in Italian, which I know a little bit, so I was able to answer back. Friends from Romania and some other Eastern Europe countries, which I don't remember the name right now. I did answer that with the help of a translator. So I do encourage everyone to comment on my videos, and I will do my best to answer back. And of course, there are many comments in Spanish that I have answered. I do speak fluent Spanish. I'm sorry, fluent Spanish. So all those videos from Spain, Latin America, South America, they are welcome. To my friend Everett, I know you're watching the video because you watch all my videos. I wish that you get better every day. So big shout out to you and your wife. Get well, and I'll see you at Matt's this 25th of March. I can't wait to be there. Oh, this is my queue right here. I'm gonna be changing roads. This is an interchange. I'm gonna take 195 right now. So some of you may have experience going to truck shows, and that's another point that I wanted to touch base, because I'm not big on truck shows. And of course, I don't have a show truck, but I'm very, very inclined to bring my truck to mats. I'm not planning on, registering the truck for any competition, but I would like to bring the truck over there and let people see it and enjoy it the way I do. So any advice would be very, very much welcome. Yeah, in these type of situations where where I'm not able to see what's around the corner, I always keep my distance in between the cars in front of me or trucks in front of me, because never know. That's another piece of advice for new drivers. If you can't see what's around the corner, keep your distance. That's a very easy way to get flipped over for braking too hard on a turn with a high load. Well, I am not too far now from changing interstates again. I'm gonna be taking 295 south. So those of you truckers that know why I left the turnpike and went on 295 south all the way to Delaware, let me know in the comments. I know many of you do the same thing. So I'll be reading what you have to say in the comments. After Mats, I would like to go to Michigan and visit my friend Everett and Tim, which he has a YouTube channel. I'm sorry if I'm saying this wrong because I'm very, very bad with names, but I believe the name of the channel is Cabovers Outlaw or Outlaw Cabover, something like that. But I'll get it right on the next video, I promise, Tim. He has very, very good comments, very, very good content, I mean. And yeah, definitely it'd be worth the time checking him out. Jersey roads, they're not the best for sure. There are some sections that are very, very good. There are some others that are very, very bad. Sometimes it feels like you're gonna lose a wheel. Anyways, it is what it is. Look at that guy, he's zigzagging inside that lane because I just watched him on the phone. He was doing something very interesting because he was fixated on the screen. Incredible. Well, that is exactly why I don't have GPS, I don't have nothing, I don't text while I'm driving, I don't do any of that. And of course, there are some specific times that you have to do it for whatever reason, but 99% of the time, I only answer calls while I'm driving with my Bluetooth, and that's it. Because especially up here in the Northeast, you take your eyes off the road for 1 second and you're already in an accident. It's crazy. Well, boys and girls, I'm gonna be wrapping up this video here. Thank you very much for watching the video until the end. For those who did, my sincere appreciation, and God bless you all, and I will see you on the next one.